Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to buy Binance USDT. Buying USDT, which is a Tether on Binance, is a straightforward process. Here's how you can do it. Open your preferred web browser and head over to Binance.com. Sign into your Binance account. Ensure your account is verified to access fiat and crypto purchase. After that, on the home page, you can see Buy Crypto tab on the top navigation bar. Click on it. Now click on Buy and Sell option. Now choose the USDT as a cryptocurrency you want to buy from this drop-down menu. Now enter the amount of USDT or the equivalent amount in your local currency. After that, you need to verify your identity if you have not verified. Now, review the transaction details including any fees that may apply. Confirm your order to complete the purchase. After the purchase is processed, go to your wallet to confirm that newly purchased USDT has been added to your account. For larger or regular purchase, consider using the recurring buy feature to automate your USDT investment. You can also use the convert tool to exchange other cryptocurrency to fiat into USDT easily. You now have USDT in your Binance account and can use it for trading, sending or investing. So that is how you can buy Binance USDT. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.